welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. As you know, today is the Sunday Style Guide, but we're gonna do things a little bit differently today. Instead of me doing a try-on or even doing a split screen, what I'm gonna do today is I'm actually gonna only feature the actual products and clothes. I'm gonna talk to you about them. I saw a lot of beauty bloggers answering the tag like, what would you repurchase if you had to repurchase all of your makeup, basically if you had to repurchase that. So I thought I would do a video about if I had to repurchase my entire wardrobe, what would I repurchase? And I kind of surprised myself because some of the things I ended up like I didn't think I would normally want or order, but I think my styles kind of changed. I actually ended up buying a couple of things that I probably shouldn't have. So that will be a try-on haul when they actually get here, when they come in. But if you are doing laundry or washing dishes or doing anything like that, you might want to pause the video until you can just kind of sit down and take some time for yourself and woosah. So, I really wanted to make this video and just make it so that, you know, if I was trying to build a wardrobe, and specifically a wardrobe for a working woman, or someone who just wanted like that work, like a casual chic aesthetic, and I try to mix in some of those and also some casual clothes, like to go out to brunch or and I did put in one special occasion dress which I couldn't help it. It was so pretty, and it was this royal blue, and if you know me, I cannot say no to a royal blue dress. It's just so pretty, and I think that you're gonna like it too. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, take a minute for yourself, okay, more like 15 minutes, and just kind of decompress and let yourself just... Hey guys, so here's a beautiful Eloquai dress that I think is the perfect LBD. It works for work, I think it works for date night, I think it works for going out and cocktail hour, and it is like the military inspired, but I think it's a really classic piece that would just really stand the test of time. So if I had to replace my wardrobe, this would be the LBD that I would this would be the one that I would replace all of my current ones with. It is a higher price from Eloquai. It's $119. They were having a sale. I don't know if it's still going on, but it was like 60% off earlier. If I almost purchased this, but I did not end up picking it up. But if I had to repurchase an LBD, this is the one I would get. The next piece is from Venus.com. They have usually up to 3X or 4X. I really love this style. So you can see that the buttons are also kind of military inspired, and this also looks like a sort of Chanel houndstooth sort of print, like sort of pattern. I've never purchased this particular brand before, so I can't speak to its quality. I have heard really good things about their dresses and about some other just really neat stuff. There definitely would be something special about this dress. Just the blue color and the gold buttons just kind of set it off, and I really like it. I also think that a wardrobe essential would be a skirt, and this sort of plaid, I don't know if you'd call this plaid or window pane. This is from ModCloth. I think that this would really complement A-line skirts. I think tend to be universally complimentary, and I just think that this is a great staple for like work. The next piece I actually did end up picking up. So these pants just, I don't know what it is about them, but they reminded me of like mermaid scales, and I had to have them. So they were originally $46.99, but I am a Old Navy card holder, and so they were like 40% off plus like additional percentage off because they were having a sale, and I totally bought these. And I bought the I bought the jeans that come after this too, so I will do a try on with both of these. So I love Old Navy's Rockstar 24/7 jeans. I think that they have, I'm actually wearing a pair right now. So I think they have the best jeans on the market for the price. Torrid does have very similar jeans. They're studio denim, but they're $70. And I just don't want to pay $70 for a pair of jeans. Old Navy also has this great no peak button front shirt, so I think every single working person needs a white button down shirt, either for layering or for just kind of tucking into that long A-line skirt we saw earlier. Just having that really crisp white look I think is really important. These are my favorite though, the Georgette Blue Sans. This is from Torrid.com. At the time, which was about 3 days ago, they were having a sale as $31.43, and they did have it in a couple of different colors, like lighter colors. I tend to stick to the darker or warmer tone or jewel tone colors, just because I feel like that's the thing that looks best on me. This, I had to try so hard not to get my credit card out. This is a beautiful pajama sort of pajama top from ASOS Curve, and usually I don't like this color. Everyone knows I don't like yellow, but I would make an exception for this shirt. I really love it. The next piece is from simplybee.com, and I actually can speak to the quality of simplybee.com. A lot of times you're going to get thinner fabrics than you thought. Which is kind of unfortunate. Usually the higher priced items are better quality, unfortunately. I wish there was more consistency across their entire store, but there just isn't. They carry multiple UK brands, and so sometimes quality is just not there. I would say ModCloth probably is pretty consistent quality, and I really like ModCloth. I think you definitely pay for the quality. I think you pay maybe just a touch too much for ModCloth, but I'm not afraid that I'm gonna throw a ModCloth sweater in the laundry and it's gonna disintegrate. So for that peace of mind, I think it, if you're gonna invest in something like this kind of taupe sweater, it would be good. This is from Venus again. This is kind of a going out shirt. I just love the color. Again, I can't speak to their quality. This next one from Torrid is actually, I did it in my in the fitting room at Torrid video with the little French bulldog head, the little French bulldog print, and I think it is really adorable. I loved it. However, you do need to be aware that this is a very sheer shirt. The model is either wearing something underneath or they photoshopped it out, but this is the sheerest of sheer shirts. You can see everything through that shirt, so you're gonna want to wear a cami. This I have not tried on. I saw it super pretty though. It was this pale blush pink with stars and moons. It's something that's totally up my alley. I feel it's I would describe it as model off duty cute, and I just think it's adorable. So those were the actual clothing pieces that if my entire wardrobe was stolen overnight, I would purchase. And I do think for a wardrobe you have to have accessories, and this dark brown and black faux leather, it's a reversible belt, so I don't wear real leather because I don't eat or consume animal products in any way. So I only buy faux leather, vegan leather, and I really liked this purse too. The fact that it was a faux leather satchel purse just really made a huge difference, and I loved every single bit of it. And then the very last thing I think is a staple that I just could not live without are going to be this trio of earrings, and you'll see them in just a second. I think earrings really make or break an outfit, and I think these colors you would just do so well, and you could pretty much do any look with them. Okay, so I almost completely forgot about this dress. It is the Shishi London dress. It's also by ModCloth, and it is a beautiful dark blue, just special occasion dress. I think that any special occasion, like any event, you could wear this to. And even with like the earrings before, even though they are costume jewelry, would look amazing with this. And I just think that it's absolutely beautiful, and I couldn't not include it here.
Hey lovelies, that's all we have for today in the Sunday Style Guide. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to check out chubbygirlintheworld.com for other videos, other blog postings. I actually recently transitioned from writing to videos. I hope that you like this video. Again, please come back to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you liked, what you didn't like, and how we can improve the channel. Thanks so much, lovelies. Don't go. I know I said that was it for the video, but I totally forgot the Instagrammer of the day. So check out the split screen. This is @Beautiful. She's down in South Korea, and she has an absolutely amazing feed. Definitely check her out and check out the videos. I think they're super cute. So if you want to be the Instagrammer of the day, put your social down below so I can check you out. And you'll have to tune in every Sunday to the Style Guide to see if you get featured. Also, if you want to nominate someone for our Boss series, the Badass Women of History and Science, leave your suggestions down below and watch every Weird Wednesday to see if we did yours. Thanks so much and have an amazing week.